Okay, hi. In this video, I'll be showing how to service the custom KPM 180H printer. Okay, before you start servicing, you turn off your printer using the switch at the back. Just turn off, then remove the front cover, then pull your lid. Okay, then you take out the cables. Okay, once you take out the cables, you open up the back cover and your front cover. Alright, okay, so you can see this is the printer head and here is the cutter. Alright, so first you have to wipe the top. This is the part where the glue will be sticking from the BACTEC roller sticker, sorry. Alright, so here we can use IPA, right? Okay, here you can use IPA. You can use either cotton bud or this tissue. Right, here I'm using tissue. So what you do is you just wipe in one direction. Right, so you need to wipe and wipe until you touch. There should be no any stickiness. Right, so this one done here already. Once you done here already, for these two rollers you use wet tissue. Okay, wet tissue is not IPA, just a wet tissue. Okay, you just wipe it like this, then you turn, wipe it like this. So this one as you can turn. Alright, so just wipe. Alright, so just wipe. For these two rollers you use IPA. Right, wet tissue. So once you're done, and also for this one, so this one you can use IPA. Right, you use IPA to wipe these rollers. Okay, once you're done with all this top part, another thing you need to highlight is these two notch. These two notch sensor should be aligned. This where you'll be reading this. So if this is not aligned, then it will not cut at the exact point, or it will not fit at the exact length that required. So these two need to be aligned.